Hi, this is Jennifer from P&G Printables, and I'm going to show you how to use my 3-color Canva drag and drop sport alphabet in Canva. So first you want to find some glitter or any kind of pattern, and you can search, and Canva has some patterns that you can use for theirs. I imported these glitter patterns, and you can find them any place that sells digital files. And so there's 3 layers to each letter. There's one, and you kind of hover, you can see the 3 different layers. So we're going to do the first center layer first. We're going to drag this white, and you'll see a purple. When you hover over it, you don't want to drop yet, just hover, and you will see a purple outline around the letter, and then you release and drop it. And then we're going to do the second inner layer, and you hover, see, there's the outer, go a little bit in there. Now it's on the middle layer, and then there's the center layer. So make sure you're on the center and drop it, and then drag this outer layer until you see it around the outer, and then drop it. And that's